here's where we were at the end of game 5, and if you actually ran it, or video 5, if you actually ran it and then clicked to exit, you would have found you got this kind of nasty note here from TK enter, which is a routine or a set of routines that's hidden inside the Python and Turtle. And there's a way to get rid of this. That's kind of nasty. So anyway, let's do the normal thing for video 6. We go here and we click on it, Control A or Command A to copy or to select, Control C, Command C to copy, and we open a new one. And we'll go Control V, and there we go. It's have exactly the same thing, only now we need to save it. So let's just save it right away. And we'll call it sonar06, sonar06.py. And now we have the other one saved. So if we ever need to go back to it, we can get there. Okay, the first thing I want to do is get rid of that nasty little thing. And what you do is you do wn.mainloop, mainloop. And that makes sure things stay alive, and when you click on it, it's not going to do that nasty ending, or at least not supposed to. So let's check it and see. So we need to do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the 11th one, we get our message, game over, click to exit. We click to exit. Nope, we still got it. So that's not good. But I think what we need, though, is instead of exit on click with T, we need WN, which is the window. And now the other thing is, when we get ta-da, we need to write game over also. So we need to get these two things here, which I forgot last time. So we'll do Control C, and we come down here, and under ta-da, we then put those both there in there. Okay, but now there's a slight problem because this will write right on top of this one. So what we need to do is to put in a sleep time dot sleep, and we'll give it there for a second. And then we need to do tw.clear, and this will in fact clear what was written here, but you still get to see it for a second if we did it right. So let's check it out. So fire away. So far so good. Okay, there it is. Now we know where it is, so I'm just going to click right. Let's click one of these so you can remember how that works. And we can click one over here. That's too far. And we get 2 hits, and we know it's here, so let's click this one. We should get ta-da for a second. Game over, click to exit. And there we go. And it turns out that we get this 3 little greater than signs, which says we're in Python, and we can examine variables and do other things. Okay, so far so good, as they say. And now what I would like to do is to take this, the chest, or we call our target or treasure, and we actually, if you look at the code here, we just let it sleep for only be visible for half a second. So tell you what, let's do a thing which is I'm going to call tc.shape, and you see a thing some shape size, and we can then make it smaller or bigger, 0.5, 0.5. So this shrinks it in both dimensions by 50%, and let's let it sleep another half second. Get this, okay, 0.5. And now let's see how that works. So if we do this, we now do the click, and we get our usual startup, and I'll watch it. There it goes. You see how it sort of went to half and disappeared? Let's try it again. There we go. So that's looking pretty good. Let's see if we can find it. Too far. There we go. Okay, somewhere in there. Let's see. One of these two. How about this one? Nope. There it is. Okay. On the fourth one, we'll pick it up. or fifth one, sorry. Click to exit. Okay, we click and we're out and we're here. Okay, this was pretty short. Get this going, and then the thing I want you to think about is we only have one chest here, or target, or treasure, which we actually have a shape of a square. And all we have to do to make it not a square is to put a file in here, a GIF file of a picture, and we'll do that. But anyway, think about how would you first make sure that we can do 3 of these. Now I know you can just copy the code 3 times and so forth, but think about putting it in a loop, and we'll cover that next time.